Ref newydd cael
Come on, Lena! Go on, Lane!
She's gonna have to come off like that. It's okay. Just not gonna go off.
Come on, Tom! Up in it! Up in it! Legs! 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 Come on, Alan! Legs! 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 Nice one! Here! Come on, Tom! Lean kick, ja, Todd, ja. Lean kick, ja. Legs, girls, come on! With her line! With her line! Jamie Noel! With her, come on, Gata! Spread, Merched, spread! Spread! Mali, run! Come on, Gata! Run, Mali! Come on, with her! Well done, Sharon.
Is there any company Brondel or Carrie Sites, please?
Oh, listen, we're not losing
Need a more sod, Tobio.
I thought we'd done it. It's straight. There you go.
Come on, Gata! Tackle! Tackle! Come on, Gata! Get up there, Gata! Come on, Romney, get up there!
Come on, Connie! Come on,
Come
Connie!
on, Romney, that's your ball! That's your ball! Come on, Gata! Get up in the ball! Come on!
Come on, Mally! Come on, Mally!
Legs!
Wouchies!
Legs!
Someone get with her!
Legs!
Someone pick it up!
Come on, Genevieve! With her! Come on, Gata! Get in there! Come on, Matty! Again! Legs! Lay out! Good! Shoot the ball! Cut him right! Go, lad! Come on, Alan! Oh, Genevieve! Go on! Diane Romney! Diane Rom! Down, Gata!
Mae Glan Taff yn Academy Rugby. like your heart and polish. Tell you what, reason why. I think come on, you get it out. We roll fucking.
That's all, Marlon.
Could get you up.
Yeah.
I used to do it when I got you up. Yeah. Mr. Lewis coach, yes. Mr. Chickens come down. Mr. Chickens, fuck. He come down yesterday. Oh, did he? Yeah. He just said it. I didn't really see him.
Sure, you can in the other day.
About 10 years ago, I saw a Romantis.
Right, you
Can in the other team of best games. Pitch die. See the game. See the wine, diving down.
He won you,
Come on, Robert, go on!
See the wine, diving down.
Come on, Seth. Go on, Seth. Go on. Go on. Oh, try. Try, Rev.
Yeah. Nah, Tim, I'll give it a game out all now. You keep right though? You will?
Go on, Lena. Go on, Lena.
She plays because Griff plays under 13.
I was coaching.
She's coming in at you like that.
Yes, good, Connie. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Connie. Turn around.
Who is she? She in bed last week.
Generesau ar 20 munud wedi 5 munud, James Hall 20 past 5. Ar cae 1 yn ffeinal plas y merched, mae Janison yn erbyn Holford 1. Ar cae 2. Ar cae 2 yn rwng sy'n derfynol plas y bechgyn, mae Cwmrymni Gwyndi yn erbyn Glanfab. Ar cae 3 mae Port Cawl yn erbyn Penweddi. Cae 4 Tre Celyn yn erbyn Holford. A cae 6 Dyffryn Aman yn erbyn Ysgol Uwchradd Dwyrain. So that's the boys' plate semi-final. Pitch 2, Cwmrymni Gwyndi against Glanfab. Pitch 3, Port Cawl v Penweddig. Pitch 4, Tre Celyn v Holford. Pitch 6, Dyffryn Aman against Ysgol Uwchradd Dwyrain.
Ar amser cael.
So cystadleuaeth ar cae 1 yw ffeinal plas y merched. Cystadleuaeth ar cae 2 a cae 3 yw rownd cynderfynol cwpan y bechgyn. A cystadleuaeth ar cae 4 a 6 rownd cynderfynol plas y bechgyn.
It's now 6 games, she's been doing 2 or 3 games.
Everything I think I get McDonald's after this. Yeah, I have. I have. For like 2 seconds.
Sorry.
Yeah, I do this end.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. No. Oh no, what's going on? Guys.
What's that for? Huh? What's that for? Next game, I think.
Right, big chase now, Chargers. Sorry, come run me. Come run me, I mean, I'm so used to saying come I speak that one, yes.
Legend problem.
Right, we know, my friend. Come across, tackle! Tackle! Come on, Sam, tackle! Come on! Come on, Lena! Come on, colour Bill now!
How about Snowden?
Good tackle! Here, Rob! Come on now, girls, composure! Just 10, only 10 girls, only 10, only 10, only 10! Tackle, tackle, tackle! Diane Beverly! Diane's not coming! Go on, Matty! Lily! Bonnie, straight plan! Straight plan!
Let's start. Yesterday was nice. Today are
Mally! Push that down, Mally! Keep going, Glenn Tom, come on!
Tommy, yeah. Hello? 35. Down Road, Kai Pie.
But it are like 10, 10
Oh, someone get with her! Come on, Mal!
I mean, no way can that be real.